guys, it's starting raining right now. Wait, this is crazy. Look at this. You touch the water. Ooh, it's going by. Dang, not alcohol. This is crazy right now. This is so crazy. It is so crazy right now. So crazy. It is crazy. It is crazy. Wait. It is crazy. But wait. At the next month, we are going to move in. This will be a new house. We are looking at different things. We got our stuff, our new fridge, our stuff in the seat. We're chilling on. Like that. Then when I click this button, look at this. Boom. Oh my gosh, that was the water. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is crazy, guys. Well, look at this. Our neighbor it's good. What's this flame? Wait, not the tail. Well, it's good with the tail. So. Oh wait, not Daddy. No, they blue cars. I think they are okay. In this way. And then that's okay. Wait. But we do that every time because we can feel it. I'm going to sneeze. So guys, can you help me right now? Can you help me? Let me see.